Hi, this is CA Firoz. Today we are going to discuss very important topic regarding how to import goods in Dubai. Here we will discuss custom duty, what is the custom duty rate and what is the VAT on the import. And thirdly, we will discuss here if you are free zone entity, what are the benefits you can get. This is very relevant video for the Indian exporter, Dubai importer and free zone companies. I hope you got it. First of all, here we will discuss import duty rate in Dubai. For your understanding, there is a very small duty rate in Dubai. That is 5% of CIF value. You know that CIF value means cost, insurance and freight. This is standard rate 5%, and like tobacco and alcohol, there is a higher rate. As I mentioned here, on tobacco 100%, on alcohol 50%. This is normally rate chart of import duty in Dubai. After that, we will discuss here VAT on import. I hope you got it. What is the VAT? VAT is normally sell tax, but here, if you are importing any goods in Dubai, that time VAT will be applicable on you. What the rate is? 5% on the RCM basis. 5% on what amount? 5% on total landed cost. What is the landed cost? Landed cost means CIF value plus duty. Then we have to calculate 5% on the landed cost. I hope you got it. After that, we will discuss here the some benefit of free zones. If you are free zone entity and you are planning to open free zone company, then this is very important to know for you. If you are free zone entity, that time if you import any goods in Dubai, that time there is no any duty on that. But be remember, there is a VAT on that. Means there is two type of import taxes, as you understand. First is import duty, second is VAT on the import. If you are free zone entity, first is definitely duty free. If you are imported any goods, that time there is no any custom duty. But regarding VAT, you need to understand, if your free zone is designated free zone, I hope you got it. If your free zone is designated free zone as per VAT law, that time there will be no any VAT on that. If your free zone is not designated free zone, what type of not designated zone? Like DMCC, IFZA and Maidan free zone. I hope you got it. If this type of free zone means this is called non-designated free zone, that time VAT will be applicable on the imported goods. I hope you got it. So before opening your company in free zone, that time you need to understand whether that free zone is designated free zone or non-designated free zone. I hope you got it. After that, we will discuss here exemption and special cases. In which cases we can get the exemption on import duty? That is, first of all, here we will discuss raw material for manufacturing. If your entity is related with the manufacturing, that time if you imported any raw material, that raw material is duty free. Secondly is personal belonging. If you are imported any personal belonging, that is also duty free. And sample or promotional goods, that is also duty free. And e-commerce, this is very relevant for you. If you are imported any goods, that value is up to 8300, that time there is no any duty in Dubai. There is no any duty on Dubai. That is a small value. It is coming from the postal or any courier agency like DHL, FedEx. That time that value is 300. If value is below the 300, there will be no any duty will be applicable on you. And thereafter, goods originated from GCC country. If goods originated in any GCC country, that time there will be no any duty will be applicable on you. I hope you got it. Thereafter, we are going to discuss here very key factors. This is what the key factor. Here we will segregate import duty and VAT. And first of all, here we will discuss activity. As we discuss, your free zone is divided into designated free zone and second is non-designated free zone. As I discussed, import duty on both cases is exempted, but VAT will be applicable on non-designated free zone. What is non-designated free zone? For your understanding, is example that DMCC is the Maidan free zone. This is like a non-designated free zone. Before opening your free zone entity, you must know about that, the status of the free zone. Thereafter is very simple. If you sell from free zone to mainland, there is a duty, because free zone is considered as separate territory. If you are selling any goods free zone to mainland, so mainland company consider that they are imported and they have to pay VAT on that. 5% duty and 5% VAT both will be charged on that cases. I hope you got it. Further, for your understanding, we will discuss here in simple manner import process steps. Firstly, if you are going to start import and export business, that time you have to register with Dubai custom. Secondly, you need to get the import code, and after that you have to file import declaration, then pay duty and VAT, then collect goods after clearance. This is very simple process, as I discussed here. I hope you got it. This is very relevant video for you, because here we will segregate it, import duty, VAT, and free zone related some rules. I hope you got it. Thank you very much.